Hey everybody, this is John from Breakthrough Apps, and today I'm going to show you how to export Retina images and normal images or layers straight from the new Photoshop. The new Photoshop has got an awesome feature called Generator, which has a naming convention for layers, and you can give your layers a certain name and a certain file extension, and it'll actually export those layers into a normal and a Retina and a non-Retina version for you really easily. So if you're creating an app or a landing page and you have 100 layers, this saves you having to go save for web 2 times in a row for every single layer. This makes it just so much easier once you know how to use the naming conventions effectively. So what you want to do is start up a new project and save this project in a folder and make sure it's saved. If it's not saved, it's not going to work. So just save your PSD file in a folder, and you just want to create a dummy layer. So look, this is just a dummy layer of an app icon or thereabouts. So to get started, you'll need the latest Photoshop installed. Like I said, just go to Help and then go to Updates, and if you're up to date, then you'll be on the same page as me. First, you want to go into the Photoshop menu and then click Preferences and then go down to Plugins. You just want to double check that this feature here is turned on, which is Enable Generator, and if so, cool. If not, tick that box and click OK. And next what you want to do is go up to the File menu and go down to Generate, so this is a new feature, and click Image Assets. And so what's going to happen is now Photoshop is going to watch and see if you've named layers with their naming convention, and if so, they're going to export images to the folder that you saved your PSD file in. So how does this all work? Let me go through the normal way, which you'd go through to export a normal and Retina image. Now, debatably, you'd go save for web, depending on whether you're doing this for an iPhone or a landing page. You go save for web, and then you'd go whatever, PNG, and say this 1024 is the at2x version. You'd have to go save. You have to go here, so I'd go icon at2x.png. There we go, that's my Retina version. And then you have to go save for web again, and you'd have to halve that, so to 512, and then you'd have to go image normal, right? That's how you'd usually get it done. Yeah, there are some other cool ways to do it, like if you have DevRocket. DevRocket's cool because you can go export assets and then select that layer, and that makes it a little bit quicker, but the new Photoshop with the generator feature really makes it that one step easier. So, to do this, you want to go to your layer, and you just want to type in this code here. You want to type in 200%, and then you want to type in the name of this layer. So this is logo-retina, and then after that you want to type in the file extension. Do you want it to be a PNG, a JPEG, whatever you want. So for this case, PNG, so I have a transparent background. And then you want to do a comma, and you want to type in the same thing. You want to type in the name again, except you want to make this the normal version, so the non-retina. So you do logo-normal.png, and as you can tell, the only difference between these is one says Retina, one says normal, and the first one has 200%. And once you've named that, just click away, press Command S to save, and go to your Finder. And what you'll notice is in the folder where you saved your PSD file, so you can see mine's here, there'll be a folder created by Photoshop for you saying Export Example Assets. Click that folder, and here you go. You have logo normal and logo retina. And so if I press down on that, that's my normal version, and that's my retina version. As you can see, normal retina does it all for you with Photoshop. It lets you export them just so easily than ever before. So I hope you like that tip. That's just how to use the new Photoshop generator feature, specifically for retina layers, icons, images, whatever you want to call them. Hope that helped, and yeah, get using it. It's the best way that I've seen so far to get your images out of Photoshop and generated. So enjoy, have a great day. Thanks.